Hello there, friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am just stopping by to quickly show you the crafty goodies that I picked up when Call Me Crafty Al and I went on our crafty road trip. We went to Tailored Expressions, Memory Bound Scrapbooks, and ScrapMania, all in Iowa. Typically when I go to these type of things, I like these stores, I get very overwhelmed and I usually don't buy very much stuff. I can say that this time that was not the case. I did spend quite a bit, but I had prepared for this. We'd planned for this for months, so it was all good. It was so much fun. In the description box below, I will link Call Me Crafty Al's video about our trip because she's doing a vlog about it. So she'll have much more information and all that jazz. If you haven't seen, I also put together a little video just of like the photos that I took and some that Crafty Al took. So I will link that in the description box below. Just some fun to show you what we did on our crafty road trip. So to get started, we'll talk about Tailored Expressions. I have to say, I have been a fan of Tailored Expressions for many, many years. If you've watched my channel, you know that I'm working on using up kits that I purchased like 2010, but I haven't bought anything recently. And like when I saw things online, I'm like, oh, they're cute, but I don't know. And so I thought Tailored Expressions would not be, I mean, I thought I would enjoy it, but I didn't think it would be my favorite stop on the trip. And I have to say, even though I got car sick and I got sick right before we got to Tailored Expressions, once they were there, I think it was probably my most favorite store out of the whole trip. We did a little make and take, which was this beautiful wedding card from one of their latest releases. Congratulations on your big day. I don't know if you can see how sparkly it is under there. Very, very fun and very, very pretty make and take. And then let's see, I wanted some grid paper to use for like when I start doing like coloring videos and stuff like that. So this was like the perfect size, and I liked that it had the card sizes on it. And then I also got these adhesive sheets, so you can put like your paper down and then die cut it, and then the adhesive is already on it. I thought that would come in super handy. I got this stencil because I thought it would work well with my mermaids, plus on its own. It's just so cute. I like the circle design of those fish. And then I got this gorgeous Botanical Beauty background stamp. I thought that that would be really fun to color in. And then along with it, I got this, the edger. So it just cuts along the edge of that. And I thought that might make some fun like gatefold type cards, or just, who knows, super fun. I'm excited to try those out. And then I got this Little Critters stamp set. How cute are those little critters? I can't wait to have them peeking up on a card. And then I, at the school that I used to work at, one of the counselors used to always tell me, you do you. And so I have picked up saying that, and I constantly am saying, well, you just do you. So when I saw this, I was just like, I have to have that. And then I got this little Monsters stamp and die set. I just thought that they were cute, and I liked the sentiments, especially "You're my favorite human." And originally I did not have that much in my cart, but then I found out you had, if you spent $100, you got a free die set. So I added some more so I could get 100. And this is the die set that I got for free. I really, really like that. And look at that. I mean, like all the designs on the rectangles there. And I know that that will be a lot of fun to use. So there's what I got from Tailored Expressions. Then we went to Memory Bound Scrapbook, which is also in Ankeny, Iowa. And I started out, we found the Doodlebug, which I've never had a Doodlebug stamp set, but these little worms on here got me. I'm like, I have to have this set just for those little worms. What is it called? Garden Girl Doodle stamps. So I thought those were super cute. And I got the sprinkles to go with it. And I did get the paper pad to go with it, which is funny because when I went left and I was like, in my mind, I'm like, I'm not going to buy paper. Well, I failed on that, but this was super cute. And then I saw this Simple Stories sun-kissed papers, and I thought it was so much fun for like some summery type cards. I got a mini Misty mouse pad. And then I know everywhere online that I've been looking, the Lawn Fawn platform pop-up die has been sold out and hard to get. So when I saw that they had it, I grabbed it, and then I got the add-on for it as well. So I'm super excited to make some cards using that. And then we went out to eat, and then we decided that we had enough time to go to ScrapMania in Cedar Rapids. And oh my goodness, that store is so big. They have so many products. It is wonderful. I think if we had gone there first, I would have spent a lot more. But being the third store, and I'd already spent enough, and I'd gotten so many new things, I didn't really spend as much as I thought I would, which was good. I did pick up this Colorful Life Cloud Edger stencil, which it's really hard to see in the package, but it makes some more like realistic clouds, and I've wanted that for a long time, so I was super excited about that. I got another Simple Stories paper pad because I loved the colors, and it had the bees, which, you know, I'm into bees right now. And then they had some My Favorite Things. They had, oh my goodness, they had so many My Favorite Things stamp sets. But these two, I don't know that they're still available online. And I've wanted both of them. And I was like, I'm just going to buy it when I can. So it's the Weather on, or what is it, Coffee? Let me see here. Sweater Weather on Safari and the Sweater Weather. I just love those critters with their coffee and like their sweaters. Thought that was fun. And then we found a whole bunch of gnomes by Woodware, and I loved this guy with the bees. And then because if you bought 3 stamps, you got 1 free, so I picked up this cutie because she was summery and I thought she might work with some of those paper pads. So that is all the goodies that I picked up on our little crafty road trip. I am super excited to create with them, and really, I had so much fun, and I hope that Crafty Al and I can do another road trip soon. Thanks so much for stopping by, and you have a great day.